What if the best way to understand states isn't just to look at military strength or diplomacy, but to ask a fundamentally different question about power, inequality, and justice? What if the global system isn't natural or inevitable, but built, maintained, and contested? That's the starting point for critical theories of international relations. Mainstream theories like realism and liberalism tend to focus on explaining how the world works. They assume the state system, global capitalism, and international law are just facts of life, and then try to figure out how states pursue power, cooperate, or maintain order within that system. But critical theories ask different questions. How did this system come to be? Who benefits from it? Who's left out? And what does it take to imagine and build something different? Robert Cox, one of the foundational thinkers in critical IR, famously argued that all theory is political. It always serves a purpose, and it always reflects a perspective. In this unit, we'll explore a range of theoretical approaches that challenge the foundations of global politics. Constructivism, which shows how ideas, identities, and norms shape what states want and how they behave. Marxism and its descendants, like Dependency and world systems theory, which argue that global inequality is built into the very structure of the global system. Neogramscianism, which examines how elites maintain power not just through coercion, but through consent and common sense. Feminist IR theory, which asks where gender fits into global politics and why the experiences of women and other marginalized groups have been so often ignored. And postcolonial theory, which calls on us to confront the legacies of empire, colonialism, and racial hierarchy in shaping today's international system. Critical theory doesn't offer easy answers. It doesn't even always give clear predictions or policy roadmaps. But what it does offer is perhaps even more valuable, a way to see the world differently. It pushes us to interrogate the rules, the stories, and the silences that shape global politics, and invites us to ask, what kind of world is possible? So if you've ever felt that traditional theories of IR leave something out, or if you're curious about how the global system might look from the margins rather than from the center, then this is the unit for you. I'm looking forward to exploring these questions with you, so let's get started.